Hello everyone, this is Aida Gholami from Agrimet Research Company, and today I'm going to show you what is data validation in Excel. So first of all, you actually use data validation to restrict the data that is entered by the users. So here I want to show you a quick example and let's see how it goes. So here, as you can see, I have a column of text data which we assume are yes no questions. Okay, yes no question number 1 to 20. So let's say this is a test. For example, this is a test taken for children. Now I want to restrict this column to just yes no answers. Okay, so for this purpose I click the whole column and go to data tab, and in the data tab I go to data validation. When I select that, I see this window here. In the settings, it says validation criteria, allow what I want to allow. I want to allow text length between minimum 2 words, 2 letters, and maximum 3 letters. So I want them to only be able to enter no or yes. So no is 2 letter and yes is 3 letter. So then I go in input message, ignore blank or whatever. I go to input message. Here it says show input message when cell is selected. Yes, I want to show input message. And now for the title, I want to say note. In the input message, I type only enter yes or no. Okay, then I go to error alert. Show error alert after invalid data is entered. Yes, I want that. Style stop warning information. I want them to stop. And the title alerts. Error message, for example, again, enter yes or no. Then I click OK and let's see what happens. Okay, you can see here, as long as I'm on these cells, you can see that it says note only enter yes or no. So I go here, I write yes, and you can see it's okay. I write no, you can see it's okay. But if I write yes and no, so there will be an alert message which says enter yes or no. So that's it for today's video. I hope you all learned something new. Please don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe to Agrimet channel. I will see you in the next video, and bye.